What we have here is our food recognition system. This is our mock fridge. It's our model of our fridge. Basically, what we needed was like a blank background and space to put items in. Here we have our camera and our Raspberry Pi hooked up, and now we can run the software. All right, yeah, you can go ahead. Okay, so the system picked up the movement. It computed a threshold, which is the difference between the initial background, which is the blank background image, and the new frame with the keratin. Got the difference. That's how we localized the object, and then we ran it through SIFT. So we saw that we picked up carrots. Now we can add something else in. Energy drink. Again, threshold image, difference between the new image and the old image. There, carrots and energy. Yeah, now we're gonna add something else in, and yeah, it's gonna do the same thing. We have to put things in one at a time, and it will detect it based off the motion that was captured. And yeah, we can also add another thing. See if it picks it up. So far it's 3 for 3. Okay, so it's 4 for 4. Now we can try removing stuff. If we remove stuff, it should update the list. Again, removing stuff has to be done one by one. And what did we remove? The energy drink, yeah. So that got removed. And that's the system. That's the food recognition system.